Hello children, today's subject is grammar in workbook chapter 8 verbs. Verbs express action, being and position. We cannot form a sentence without a verb. Sometimes we use more than one word to form a verb in a sentence. For example, Kanika is walking in the garden. I play football. So this is verb. Some verbs express actions. For example, go, sit, run, abuse and bake. These are verbs. It express actions. Different forms of the verb B tell us what the person or thing is. For example, is, are, am, was, were, been and being. These are B tell us be. This is verbs. And the different forms of the verb have show position or belonging. For example, has, have, had. These are position verbs. The verbs we have and do can be used main verbs as helping verbs. That is, he does not go. This is does not go to bed before 10 p.m. These are helping verbs. Does not. Govind is going to school. This is helping verb. Is helping verb. Madhu has completed has work. I do my work very fast. This is main verb do. She is pretty girl. This is main verb. I have a petty dog. Transitive and intransitive verbs. A transitive verb takes an object so that the sentence makes complete sense. An intransitive verb does not take an object at the sentence can make a complete sense. For example, the tiger roared at the rabbit. This is transitive verb because it is verb and it is object. The tiger roared loudly. This is intransitive because here is no object, only it have verb. Use intransitive and transitive verbs. An object in a sentence in the word that is receives an action of the verb. For example, my father bought a sport car. Bought is a verb and sport car, this is object. An intransitive verb does not take in an object. For example, the student arrived 2 hours late. No object is needed. Only arrived it is a verb. So it is have no object. A transitive verb always take an object. For example, the shelf holds. Holds is a verb. So this is transitive verb. Many verbs can be either transitive and intransitive depending on how they are used in sentence. For example, the audience watched the movie Titanic. Watched is verb and what watched this is object movie Titanic. The cook watched while the vegetables were being cutting. Watched is verb and being cut vegetables. Subject, verb and object. The subject is the order of the action which most sentence. The subject is placed before the verb. The object is receiver of the action. In the most sentence, the object is placed after the verb. This is my mother. It is subject. And played. This is verb. And a trick. It is object. Agreement of the verb with its subject. As we know, the verb is the most important part of the sentence. It is very important that the verb in a sentence should obey the subject in a number and the person. Otherwise, the sentence will be considered wrong. Read the following sentence. The boy is honest. These boys are honest. That book was interesting. These books were interesting. In this sentence, the verbs is and was are used with the singular subject, while the verbs are and were is used in a plural subject. Thus, the agreement of the verb is the subject, means the verb should be according to this subject in a number of persons. Now read the following rules. When two or more singular subjects are joined with the subject, plural verb will be used. For example, he and I were good friends. Sania and Shobana are studying in my class. When singular subjects point is a single person, think or thought, the verb will be a singular. For example, strong and healthy, lives in a long life. My friend and boss has come. When a singular subject is joined with the other singular or plural subject was the help of the words with, together with, besides. The verb will be in a singular. For example, Malti with her daughter has gone to the market. The teacher together with the students has gone out the class. When two or more subjects are joined with the help of the words together, with, in addition, or as well as, the word will be used in accordance with the subject. For example, the students as well as teachers are in mood of joy. The teacher as well as the students in the mood of joy. When two singular nouns are joined with the help of the conjunctions and both the nouns are preceded by each, every and no, the verb will be a singular. For example, no teacher and no student comes late in the school. Each student and each teacher attends the morning assembly. When two subjects are joined, either or, neither, nor, or, the verb will be used in the accordance with the second subject. If one subject is in the sentence is plural, it would be placed near the verb. For example, neither Priya nor Mary are going to play. Either Albert or his sisters have broken the glass. If the words more than one have been used in the sentence, the noun and the verb will be a singular. For example, more than one student has passed, more than one candidate has been awarded. Now we will move in the exercise. Write the whether the underline the verbs is transitive or intransitive verb. We can learn here in the exercise explanation. The sun rose up in the sky. This is intransitive verb because it has no object. Rose is intransitive. I wrote a letter to my friend in America. This is transitive. I understood the question in the teacher asked. This is transitive. Yes, I don't like people who tell lies. Transitive. The shopkeeper sold some sweets to the boy. Transitive. I took a taxi to the little house. Transitive. My box contains toys and books. Transitive. The girl held her purse tightly. Is transitive. Circle all the verbs and underline the object of the transitive verb in the sentence. So here are circle the verbs and underline the object. This is the verb and this is the object. Circle the subject and underline the verb, cross out the object. This is the circle or subject. It is the eagle swooped the down and they carried away the rabbit. It is the eagle is the subject and swooped is a verb and it is the rabbit is a object. It is the object and the lion is the subject, hide verb and the hunter is the object. My mother is subject, baked verb and delicious cake is object. Write this. It is subject and word is verb and it is object. Supply the verb in the agreement with the subject in the each of the following sentence. $10 is a high price to pay. Varun loves chocolates. None of the garbage is picked up. Neither of them is available to speak right now. He is a boarding school. I am reading. I gave him some sweets. My mother loves me. The stars are shining bright. Do the hot air balloons fly? Rewrite the following sentence using correct form of the verbs. A car and bike is my means of transportation. A car and bike are my means of transportation. Where are your goggles? No change. It is as it is. Excitement as well as nervousness are the cause of her snaking. Excitement as well as nervousness. Here is change. That is not are. Here are we have to change. Is the cause of her shaking. Neither Richa nor to the others available. Neither Richa nor the others are available. This is not are available. My aunt or my uncle are arriving by train today. My aunt or my uncle is arriving by train today. Here it is change. Are. Either Kavina or Viba are participated in the competition. Either Karina or Viba has. It is changed here, has participated in the competition. The policeman along with the newsman are expected shortly. The policeman along with the newsman is expected shortly. Each of the girls sing well. Each of the girls sings well.